see what the daily's about. Partition array such that the maximum difference is k. You're given an integer array nums and an integer k. You partition nums into one or more subsequent. Appear exactly. I see. Okay, so this looks difficult. So basically, the way that this works is you take the minimum and the maximum, and it has to be greater or less than or equal to 2. This k value and this 6 and 5 work. Oh, right. Let's look for some patterns for this one. Some patterns, at least. Oh wow, this one looks disgusting, bro. Yeah. I mean, if it was up to me, I would have an n log n solution. That's what comes to mind so far. Because I'm not seeing like an O of n solution on the top of my head. Yeah. Because for instance, for like example 3. Oh. Like luckily, like everything's ordered. Right? So if things like are ordered, it's pretty easy at that point, I would assume, cause yeah, I might go for that unless I see something in a pattern that I can't recognize, cause like I can have like a current like max and like a current min. And once it's there, it's equal to 2. And then I could probably do some like if statement to iterate onward to like keep having these repeated 2s, and not add to the answer, which will have like a like k listing thing. Or I guess it has to equal to current max. So whatever, yeah, we'll do whatever is equal to current max, because since they're ordered, ascending. Yeah. So I'm gonna sort it first. Sort, then decide. Yeah, if something's equal to the current max, just continue onward. Continue the index onward. And then add the answer. So yeah, answer is equal to 1 now, and then once we get to here, then we get the then we reinitialize it to be then like 4 and 4, and then we realize it's nothing, and then 5 and 5 once we iterate once again. So let's say it's not that. So let's say it's the classical, like, first example. Right. And let's say we sorted it out, right? So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Oop. Right. So let's yoink you. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yoink you. So at this point in time, the current min is that. And then the current max 2, 3. Oh, we have to. Okay, once we get to 5, then that means we should cut it off and just start a new one. That's when we actually should start it. Yeah. Because once we started, then we realized, oh, the answer should be 1 here. And if we get to 5 and 6, yeah. Once you get to the end, you should add at least 1. I would think so. To get to 2. Yeah, I'm not sure how this algorithm work within a for loop, but it just seems like you need 1 iterator. So sort it, and then we can meet like some criterias. So let's, yeah. I'm not sure. I don't really see. In terms of space, it's all 1. In terms of time complexity, it's n log n. I'm not seeing an O(n) solution currently, unless we can have like some sub sequences somehow. But it's like, that's all like hard to keep track of, especially like unless you do 1 sweep through and then you have like a min and a max, right? But even then, still not sure. Yeah. Yeah, that one's hard. Yeah, maybe you have to find the min and max of the first one, and then like try to break it into sequences after that. But it's hard to tell. If everything's like bunched up on top too, because like let's just say it's like 1. I'm gonna do it in order, but yeah, 2, and it's just like a bunch of numbers. Right, something like that. Cause you, well, I guess you can have 9 and 10, 7 and 8. What if it's 2? You still have 10 and 8. Can you split? What's up, Havens, excuse me. I'm working on the daily for now, and then I'll get to DP problems. I'm trying to figure out if it's there's an O of N solution. Because I can brute force my way to n log n. I think. Because we have 5 right here. You still want 7 to 5. Do I want a tip? Sure, man. Does it have to do with constraints or anything? Because I definitely could. It definitely accept n log n. Look for repeated subsequences. I have no idea what that means. Without changing the order of the remaining elements. Because this... Because that doesn't matter, really, if you just care about the minimum maximum. Yeah. You look for repeated, so you're splitting a subsequence into sequences, or subsequences. Then you split those subsequences, right? I guess you could. But like, if you can delete some or no elements without changing the order, does that really even matter? Like, you just care... Oh shoot, does order matter? I'm so confused on like this, right? Because at the end of the day, you just care about the minimum and maximum. It doesn't matter about the order. Right. I meant you save the result of the subsequence, so next time you see it, you don't need to split. Seem like one of my weaknesses. I just want to let you know, like, these types of questions are my weaknesses. Leak code questions. Cause I was thinking of like, why can't I remember? It's the NumPy thing. NP like linear. Breaking up. What's a lin space? I'm thinking like lin space. I feel like if you have but we can get a little messy with that. For instance, is like, what would be the length space of this, right? Be like, or the intervals, I guess you can say, be like 1 to 3. 3 to 5? Because 3 to 5 would work, right? Oop. And I don't really know if they're inclusive or not. 5 to 7. Yeah, I'm not really sure. This is like 7 to 9. Because to me, I don't think the order matters. Like, why would the order matter here? Oh, okay. Yeah, I wasn't really understanding. I'm gonna probably do the straightforward approach because this seems a little finicky, especially with the includes. Because we could... Because this is all weird, bro. Oh, wait, hold on. 4 to 6 here. This is what? 7 to 9. But then this is all messed up. Then it's just 10. Right? And if we had that, then we would try to be... I mean, this would be only 1. This would be 1. This would be 1. This would be 1. Well, we only need 3. Yeah, it's all weird. A 2-pointer. Yeah, you could do that. I'm thinking just sorting it out. Because, like I said earlier, I don't think the subsequences, like, deleting somewhere, like, the order of it matters. I don't think order matters. So I'm just going to do that and just do a 1-pointer approach. Or I guess you could do 2-pointer. It doesn't really matter. But have the current min and then keep going until you reach the max. I think that's very simple. Why would the order matter? Okay, so because the thing is like I'm just creating a subsequence, right? It's right. For instance, this one, right? Oh, let me like it actually. What? I'll do that. Right? The sequence 3, 1, 2 produces the same result as 1, 2, 3. But we're partitioning the array such that there's a maximum difference. These both produce a difference of 2. It's just taking the max and the minimum. Similarly, 6.5 is the same as 5.6. And all you're doing is just deleting everything in between. Like it's creating a subsequence of 6.5 by deleting the things in between. So what would be the, like, what would... Which would then give you the answer of, like, it has to be, like, 2 subsequences. What would be a good example where the order matters? I can't think of a good example where order matters. I'm just gonna give random numbers out. And then we have k is equal to, I don't know, 5. Yeah. Yeah, because you can have like 7, 3, 3, 2, 3. And then 1 by itself. And then 54 by itself. It's still 3. Yeah, I'm gonna trust my gut right now and say order doesn't matter. Because this example, the answer should be 3. Actually, let's test it out, right? Let me just do return, I don't know, 2. Let's go H, and then let's go to the end. Ah, I see. It's also the answer should be 3 for the last one. It's 3. Yeah. Now executing it, I don't know if I can do that. We'll see. This is Neovim. Yeah. What's your background, Haven? Okay, so we have 1 pointer. There's a couple edge cases we have to consider. So, and current max is equal to numeric limits and current med is equal to something, except for this one's max. Yeah. So let's do this. Just yoink it. And then paste. did something wrong. I did something wrong. Ah, there it is. Yeah. You do a bit of Java and Python? Hell easy. Like what for? Is this for like backend stuff? What do you? Current max. That then. Current max is going to equal to numzi, and then curmin is going to equal to numzi. Alright. And then we can just simply do current max is equal to so we're getting a new max. The min stays the min. Where's this one? Where the fuck did you come from? So if current max minus current min is greater than k, then oops, I forgot one little thing. Oops. I'm gonna do it. Answer is equal to 0. Answer is answer plus plus. Well, I guess we could just do this. Yeah. And actually, we don't even need a cur max. We just need to do nums. Why are we keeping track of cur max? We just need the min. It's ordered. Yeah. Yeah, if Kermit is... I guess to be honest, even here, huh? We're guaranteed at least one input. Yeah. Yeah. Just make it equal to numzi. And then we don't need this. If nums I minus kermin is greater than k, then we add an answer, and kermin is equal to nums I. And else, else if I is equal to nums, yeah, it's an else if I is equal to nums dot size minus 1, then we do an answer plus plus because we have to count for the next iteration. Oh, that could be an issue. Yeah. Well, actually, I don't think it would. We'll see. Yeah. We'll see. We'll see. Uh-oh, I forgot a forgot a lot of things. Oh, you're looking at algorithmic trading? Oh, dude. Me too. Let me show you something. In a second. Let me show you something. Oh, I see the issue now. I think it has to do with the... Yeah. Let's do that. Yeah. Wait. Oh, I might have deleted this guy. Yeah. Yeah, I've been messing with stock shit. Okay, so I got one answer right. And I'm off by one for the... It's them off by one errors. Interesting. We'll see what I'm doing wrong with the other ones, but also I wanna write it, and then I wanna quit because there's let's do it daily. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, okay. So it's only local for me right now. I have it on this Raspberry Pi right here. If it can connect to the back end. But yeah. I have Python as the back end using Fast API. And yeah, got Apple. We got stocks for the last 2 years, year to date, last 30 days. We can do exponential moving average or simple moving average. Oh, I guess this doesn't matter for that type of indication. I need to create a legend. And then also like this to be a little bit cleaner. But yeah. Then you can see the relative strength compared to the S&P 500. I don't know if I should do other ETFs, but yeah. This is a little finicky. I need to do virtualization. Oops. Did I mess up? Oops. Yeah, Costco's been killing it. Compared to the S&P 500 at least. They've been killing it. Yeah. Oh wow. Yeah, so I have like things automatically data scraping, I guess, for the data scraping for the for all the stock data on IEX, which is kind of nice because I don't have to like really think about it. I just like have a cron job and then bam, just does this thing. Yeah, the charting library. One second. Actually forgot. It's been a while since I've touched it. It's yeah, I hope to make it public soon. We'll see. I use lightweight charts. The operating system that I'm currently on, or on the Raspberry Pi? Raspberry Pi is Linux. I'm not sure if I'm using Ubuntu or Raspberry Pi OS. I'm pretty sure I'm using Raspberry Pi OS because I might want to use the GPIO pens eventually. Not for this project, but in general. So knowing me, I probably kept it as Pi OS. On my actual computer that you see right now, it's Linux. Or it's Ubuntu, excuse me. Okay, so let's see. How do I solve this? So so this should have given me. It should have given me 4. The last one should have given me 4. Oh, but it's not there anymore. Or output is expected to be 3. Oh snap! I see. I got 4 minus 2. No, it's 4. I think you're getting the max min of the ordered subsequence. Right. Maybe I do need the max. Or I could do this. Oh, thanks for the follow, mate. Oh, okay, sounds good. Have fun as you're doing your project, man. So many things wrong with this. No, I think this should be fine. Gnome's eyes go to gnome's eye plus 1. Maybe we should start with 1. We'll see. which I don't think should solve my problems. I did it again. Yeah. Yeah. Why is there a heap overflow? Huh? Why is there a heap overflow from that? Num size has to be... I see, maybe, but... Bro, I'm so lost. Yeah, I'm thinking I might want to do like current max. Right. So let's see the logic here. 2 minus 1 doesn't work, but 3 minus... So we got 5. So it should be 2. What answer do I get? Is it 3? Give him a 3? Because of this. Which I don't trust my answer, to be honest. I don't like my answer at all. I see it failing. I don't see it failing at all, guys. Because I am what we call a genius. A genius. I'm a genius. Alright. But I am slower than 59% people? 58? 58.56% of people. So let's see, how do I do it? How do I do that question? There has to be an Oven suit. I was almost there, I think. Sort plus binary search? Disgusting. The fuck does that mean? Counting sort? What am I looking at, bro? So that's what I did. Yes, sir. Oh, really? It's log and space. Interesting. Interesting. Oh, wait, that's the solution? I did the solution? Y'all motherfuckers. I'm the greatest. There's still happen to be better solutions apparently. It's n plus m. You know who was confusing me? Havens. Haven was confusing me. Kept saying a lot of stuff. He confused me. Maybe second guess myself, which is okay because I do need to second guess myself. But yeah, I guess this is work. I didn't think it needed to be one first, but now that I thought about it, I mean, if you already included the first number, that's one subsequence already, and just continue on. Nice. Let's doing some cleaning up of my solution. So I was right, order does not matter. Let's go! Alright. Let's look at some DP problems now. Algorithms! Unfortunately, give me that dynamic programming. Oh, also, I need to do... We solved one! We have solved one! This is DP, bro? Trapping rainwater? That's DP? I thought it would be a two-pointer. That's so wild to me. How would you do this DP wise? Oh, what the fuck? I did not see no DP solution. Oh, that's crazy. guess when I look at this question, I need to look at it a little differently. Okay, so this all fucking looks annoying to me, bro. What is this triangle one? I see. I'm thinking. Oh, right. Let's do this. This reminds me of a lot of problems. Let's just have a simple, just a. Nope. Yeah, let's just have this. So we look at it. So I want to copy these costs. The bottom row is cost. And then the final cost is up top. So if I do... what is this? Yoink. Let me paste it here. Right. Oh. I want these to be 0. And this value right here, once we get to this row, we do 2, whatever the minimum of these two are, right? 2 plus the minimum of these two, and then we get, 6 right here. And then we do 3 plus the minimum of these two, and then we get 5. Then we go here, 1, and it's gonna be the minimum of these two. Wait, why did I put 6 there? Oh, I see. Hold on. 6. It's 5 plus 3, excuse me, so it's 8. And then you do the minimum of these two, which is just 7. Should be the minimum cost. Right, yeah. Right. So could you only do O n extra space where n is a total number of rows? Oh, interesting. How would I do that? don't know how I would do that. Because it's not just as simple as just taking the minimum. Because you still have to account for which one. I'm gonna do it my O of MN way. Essentially MN. Square. We're gonna try that out. Alright, so let's do, yeah. Vector. I'm just gonna make it a triangle. And then yeah, this is the row. Row is equal to minus 2, and then I has to be greater than or equal to 0. Minus. Oop. Oop. Right. Okay, so right, dp, oh wait, then we have to do this. J is equal to 0. Forgot about this part. J is less than triangle I dot size. I can't believe I just spaced out there. So dp, yeah, ij so we have to consider, so we're at this row. Oh, yeah. So we're chilling, actually. It's just gonna equal to, I guess plus equal, actually, of dp of I plus 1 j and dp I plus 1 and j plus 1. So next row and then next column. And it should work because it's the row below it. And we already saved the 3, or I guess in our case the 2 here. So it's just 2 plus 4. Right. Yeah. And then I guess we just return dp 0, 0. Because we're guaranteed at least one item. I think that should work. It's not the most optimal in terms of size and things like that, but it should work if I make it work. If I don't have syntactical Errors. Nice. Now, I don't know what this O of n extra space is. What's up with that? How do you make it like just a 1D vector essentially, right? It's not just like taking the minimum of each row. Cause let's see. Let's just have this, right? Right. The obvious answer at this point would be this is 9 and 8. This is 9. This is 6. And the answer is 7. You can't just take. Okay, maybe you can take the minimum of this case. Oh, I know, you can't even take the minimum, right? Because it's like 1, 1, 4, right? And you can, it's not 6. Yeah, I'm not sure about the Oben solution. That's makes it very complex. Let me write it. Ooh. Let's go. I know DP. Once it's like laid out for me, I know DP. Like super easy, but to be honest, I don't know the what's the O of n solution for time complexity or time space complexity. Hey, what's up, Leet Whale? Long time no see, brother. Yeah, it is basically n squared. Yep. Ah, nice. So you also did n squared. Let's see. How did you do O of n, guys? You just showed the video. Okay, nice. Oh wait, hold up. Oh shit. Oh shit. No way, hold up. Give me a moment to Oh, that's so smart. I didn't even think of that. Which I still don't really understand per se. Let me because he took just the last row. Same ordeal, and he's going from the bottom up. And I don't know if it's inclusive. Let's just C++ it, because I am not. The memo C, the column. Oh wow, let's see. I want to see how this ends up being that the first item, I think after R operations, the first item becomes the minimum? Oh, that's crazy, dude. Oh shit. So let's see. We have 498 here. Right, and then we go for the next row, which is 2 and 1, right? So for this case, we start at 2 and 1, or the second row, and then we're only going 0 and 1, right? So zero is equal to the minimum of both of them plus triangle RC. Snap, which in this case, oh snap, which this case is just 6 right here. And this one's the minimum of these two plus that, so it's just 9 again. It's 9 again. And then for the top, it's just the minimum of these two, which is 7. Just kind of confusing. How does that work with this like 2, 3, 4? Okay, so let's say we have 4, 1, 8, and 3. The next row is 0 through 2. So the minimum of these two plus the one above it is 7. Because it's going to be minimum plus that. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Because it's of this column, column 1, column 0. And then we get column 1 in the middle of column 2, which is 8, plus the 1 above it, which is 6 somehow. Oh dude, this is freaky how to think about this. 8 and the minimum of 3 is, then it's just 10 right here. And somehow you account for it somehow. What the hell? Then you get 6 and 7 again for the 3 and 4. And it's 3 plus the minimum of these two, which is 9 for the somehow. And and then you got 1, 4 plus the minimum of these two. What? It's 10. Because it was originally 6, and 6 plus 4 is 10. Then you get the minimum of these two, because it's 0 again. And then you just add 2, which is 11. How the fuck? Oh, that's wild, bro. To think of it that way? Because that's what they're doing. They're taking the minimum of the 0th and 1st column, or whatever index it's at, plus 1, and then adding the current value. Yeah. I don't know. I didn't see that. That's for sure. And we got a good for you, man. Oh. Yeah, they just edited the input, which, yeah. I think that's a cheesy way of doing it. Or saying that you did it that way. No explanation, mate? Damn. Oh well. Let's get to some DP, guys. Let's get to some DP. Oh shit! Ah shit! Fuck! Ah shit! Ah shit! I gotta embarrass myself in front of people now. Damn it. Anyway, thanks for the raid, Midnight Simon. Really appreciate it. Really appreciate you showing up to my stream during my weakest subject. Now I gotta embarrass myself with a lot more people. Pressure on for the DP. Dude, I suck at DP, man. I suck at DP. It is definitely not my strong suit whatsoever. We can... What should I do? Jump game. This is like more greedy, isn't it? Than DP. No. Frog jump? Is there an actual question called frog jump? There's no way. Loco, we do not love DP. Maybe if I become good at it. We're gonna do... If y'all help me with frog jump, then I'll attempt it. I'll attempt it. House robber? I can do house robber. I forgot how to do it, but I can do house robber. That's for sure. And then House Robber 2, they do like it's like a circular buffer, isn't it? I remember doing these at some point. I just forgot how I did them. We can start off with the sad state of affairs. Wait. Damn, we got what's going on here? What did I do? What? Why? What's wrong with using Vim, man? I will do a 3-minute. I will. Okay, first of all, hold on. I will do as long of plank as I can. Oh, okay, nice. Okay, cool. I am very noob-like when it comes to Vim, so please be patient with me, okay? Last time I got was like a minute 15 or something. Okay, so let's work through this problem, because with DPs I always have to think about things. But I will say I do feel like I'm getting a little bit more of a knack for it. Excuse me. You're a professional. We could try to do top down and then bottoms up approach. So yeah, I have a master's in mechanical engineering. Yeah, so my master's dealt with autonomous cars, more specifically like off-road autonomous vehicles. So I got into robotics that way, more into the control side. So when I was doing controls, I was programming a lot, and that just so happened to be in the field that I applied computer science to. I did take away a lot of stuff from mechanical engineering and applied it to the robotics field, especially in programming. But I still am shitty at programming. If you came here for a good programmer, good thing you have followed Midnight Simon. I'll tell you that much. So yeah, but I'm getting the concepts a bit. Fortran. I don't know Fortran or shit. Yeah, I'm getting the concepts a bit down. Funny enough, I did use backtracking a bit in robotics. It had to do with kind of like a decision tree. Because in controls you have like certain inputs that you can give. Like for instance, like if you discretize the steering wheel angle from like negative 45 degrees to 45 degrees or whatever it is, whatever rotor wheel angle you want, you kind of backtrack all that with the decision of also accelerating or decelerating with some type of throttle input. And it's not just an easy lens space, unfortunately. Unless it was only 1D, then it would be fine. But anyway, top-down approach. Let's see, how do we do a top-down approach? So, let me remind myself of the problem. I was staring at it, but I haven't been reading it. Does Jason have security? Yeah. Maximum you can route tonight without alerting the police. You cannot do adjacent houses. Okay, so I can do 1 and 3 and 2 and 1. Right. Alright, so I can do 2, 9, and 1 or 7, 3. Right. Alright. There's a way to do this, so let's... I never knew how to do this. Right, so... if we have a pointer... Right. And then we can have like a DP is equal to... I guess essentially just 2 in this case. 7, 9. Alright, let's just make it all zeros. I guess I should make this 1 and 2. It has to do... what is the pattern to this? Dude, it's been a while since I've done this problem. Because what I want to do is compare this guy with the addition of these two. Which I'm not... it's just 7. This one is 7. It's 11. But then there's like this confusion that I'm having right now. Am I off by 1? Is that the reason why? Don't... oh, shit. So I'm here. Oh, thanks for the follow, Real Raymond Jones. Really appreciate it. Unfortunately, you are seeing me at my weakest programming. Oh, thanks for the follow, Sunrise Lofi. Really appreciate that too. I don't know how good you guys are in DP and stuff like that. Oh, I think you guys actually taught me tries. that was really fun. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to teach me new computer science subjects. The only issue is I'm struggling. Because I'm trying to figure out the equation, like, so dpi, what is that equal to? I feel like we should initialize it with 2, right? So oh, you suck? You suck at DP? Damn. Okay, we're gonna suck together. Cause another thing I could do is like DPI. Let's see, DP0, right? Could just be equal to nums 0 plus nums 2, or yeah, 2. And then nums 1. It's the max of that, right? And what's DP1, right? I feel like I'm doing bottoms up right now. It's been so long since I've done DP. It's actually kind of annoying. Should be this, it looks like. Anyone got any you watch Simon's Simon has videos? Did he tell y'all to tell me about it? Give him a plug? I'll watch it. I am a big fan of his peaceful voice. Let's see. Midnight Simon. House Robbers. He told us to vibe it? I've been seeing his titles recently. Oh. Might have to go to his channel. Alright. Is this? No, that's not him. I see his YouTube channel. The way he's looking back, it's wild, bro. It's take it or leave it, brother.
DP.
Alright, let's make sure you guys can hear him. You guys left Midnight Simon stream. Now, not left. You didn't leave him, but he rated me. Your viewers, his viewers, came to my stream basically, and to watch me do DP. But instead, I'm watching his YouTube videos. So, in a sense, you guys aren't leaving Midnight Simon.
Dynamic programming. So I was always afraid of dynamic program problems. I don't think I ever understood how people call it coin change, whatever you call it. I like to call it take it or leave it. And I'm going to show you how, or some people call it knapsack. Some people call it coin change, whatever you call it. I like to call it take it or leave it. And I
ain't gonna front. I like that. Take it or leave it. Then again, I've never
show you
understood.
how
I've never understood knapsack. I do know is like there's some constraints of like you have some reserve of money, and then you can only spend so much.
I do take it or leave it DP problems right now, and we're gonna do it on this problem called house robbers, one of the very first problems I ever did it on. You are a professional robber planning to rob houses along a street. Each house has a certain amount of money stashed.
Oop.
The only constraint is on the same night lease. Rob 2 houses in a row or leave it DP. It's basically at every single index you have a choice to make. You can either take it or you can leave it. I'm just gonna solve it real quick. So basically we're gonna just try and rob every single.
Wait. Oh yeah, he had 2K subs. Yes sir. He's a beast. Oh, he dual streams? Oh, nice.
House. And if we rob one house, that means we can't rob the next house, and we gotta skip to the next house. I'll show you what I mean. When I did my DP problems, I do them all like top down. I was never able to get bottom up DP for most problems, so like I usually try and stick with top down DP. And when I first started doing top down DP, you know, it's like top down means kind of like you start with the brute force recursion and then you add a cache on it, so then it becomes a lot more faster or more efficient. And I used to start with like a helper function like this: vector int blah blah blah, pass down my parameters, and I'll pass down like an index I, and then I like have my cache. But we'll talk about the cache later. I don't really use helper functions like this anymore. We'll talk about that later also. So this is my helper function. It's basically a
I notice he likes his lambda functions. Is that what he's referring to? He likes to do lambda functions?
recursive function that's going to check every index, and we're gonna do 2 things at every index. We're going to rob that house, and we're gonna not rob that house. Those are the only 2 things we're gonna do. So if, all right, this is how, it's like, I guess the base case or whatever people like to call it.
So he's so aggressive with it. He's so aggressive with, we're gonna rob that house, we're not gonna rob it. we decide.
If we reach the end of the array, like if we go out of bounds, basically that means there are no more houses to rob, and we can just return 0, and it will terminate the recursion. So we just gotta do 2 things. We either rob the house or we don't rob the house. When we rob the house, what does that mean? That means we're gonna take all the money in that house and we're gonna add it to whatever the recursion returns after we skip the next house. So when we rob the house, it means we can't rob the next house, so we gotta skip it. So our index, instead of becoming I+1 to go to the next house, we'll skip the next house and we'll go to I+2. And if we don't rob the house, that means we don't add any money from the current house, and we just
I kind of want to do this by myself now, since I think I got a key idea. Yeah. What, Jeter? My homie Jeter? Bro, where have you been, dog? Long time no see, brother. Or running up in people's houses. He taught his video editor DP. He has a video editor? Oh, nice. I missed you, Jeter. Let's see. We'll make it, let's do this. We'll do a little private session. That's just for me. Then we'll do int dp, which I like calling DFS, because we're being recursive about it. So int nums, and then int I, yeah. I agree with this. Right. And then, dude, he's such a fast typer. Dude, I don't understand how y'all are crushing it in type racer, bro. Oh, off favor? Oh, nice. Wait, does he go to the same guy? Or does he have like a consistent like video editor? Like, does he just go off of that guy now? Or only gives him jobs when he needs the video edited? Oh, he stopped making videos. He doesn't have consistent videos. Do you guys have any different interests besides programming? Because I like playing basketball. I like playing volleyball. I like climbing. I don't know what you guys are interested in. So, what was I gonna do again? Oh yes, int I. If I is less than, if I is greater than, equal to nums dot size, then return 0. Right. Because there's nothing there, right? And then we have int I, or int, what did he call it? Int rob, don't rob. Okay, I'll call it that. We're gonna rob it, or we don't rob it, right? Which is nums I plus DFS nums I plus 2. That makes sense to me. And then there's int don't rob, which is equal to nothing. There's no nums I, just DFS nums I plus 2, or I plus 1, excuse me. And then by the end, we return the max. This is coming back to me. But the issue is, I thought I remember you check the things in between. Tell Chi-Chi you want to go climbing with him? I boulder. Does he climb? Does Chi-Chi boulder? Oh, you, the real Raymond Jones, do you like the same hobbies I just mentioned with basketball, volleyball, and climbing? I don't know if that's what it's referring to. What's his max V grade? Huh? It's probably higher than mine, to be honest. It's probably a lot higher than mine. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, you don't climb though? Ah, gotcha. Did you play any organized ball? Let's see, the maximum of rob, don't rob. Right. Okay, that makes sense to me. And if we just did the DFS way, right? We just nums 0. Just right. Let's just do a little bit of retest. Okay. I'm gonna get TLE if I did this, right? So I'm gonna do vector and dp. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna cheese it a bit. We're gonna cheese it a bit. We're gonna cheese it a bit. So we're gonna make it. Can I do this? Yeah, I can do this. And it's gonna be gnome size 0. I'll watch the rest of his video. Okay, this is bad practice. Don't do it like that. Oh shoot. That's not what I wanted to do. It was just off reflex. Oh, I'm not in the Bay Area. I actually live in Texas. Yeah. Oh, you don't play organized? No, I was just asking if you've ever played any organized ball. Yeah. I used to live in Boston once upon a time. And that's when I really got I liked volleyball, but in Boston that's when I really liked volleyball. And when I was moving away from Boston, I found out that volleyball was invented in Massachusetts. I forgot which part of Massachusetts. I think it was West Massachusetts area. Don't quote me. And it started making sense of why the volleyball scene was so huge in Boston area, or in Massachusetts in general. There's so many tournaments there, man. It was fun. It was a lot of fun. A lot of money. A lot of fun. All right. So we gotta do some DP news. Damn it. We gotta do some type of DP here. Now let's make it -1. Let's make our sentinel value -1. Oh, thanks for the follow, Frey USA. Yeah. Oh, you played rec league and intramurals? Hell yeah. Dang, dude. We call those people weekend warriors. Only hoop during the weekends. Now I don't even hoop anymore. I play once every season. So 4 times a year. Max. Let's see. If DP I. So now we know that the integer is within bounds. If DPI does not equal to -1, then return DPI. And then we make this DP. Oh, thanks for the follow, Chubaraka. See, I need to get better at these like pronunciation of names. If I say your name tremendously like atrocious, just atrociously, call my ass out. 100%. Just do it. I think this should work. I think. It does not work. Oh, it's because I forgot to. I replaced int, but I didn't replace all this. I wish I'm still leading on the arrow keys so much. I need to do a better job of escaping and then use HJKL. I use it as a crutch. Yeah, okay. It has to be with this. I will say we still have this. Don't rob. Yeah. And then rob. Which we should have DPI is equal to, yeah, the max of, yeah, don't of rob or don't rob. Yeah. And then we just return DPI. Yeah, we still want that. Because we want to keep that. We don't have the solution yet, I think. Right. I think. Nice. Dude, I suck at DP. I was just doing 2D DP problem, but now. Oh yeah. I did remap my escape key to caps lock. Yeah. Use a normal editor. Oh. Yeah, I was out on Friday nights on the courts. Oh hell yeah, dude. The Friday night sessions. Hella nice. I bet the Bay Area has some nice courts to play at in the evening. Oh, you want the config file? Yeah, sure. Fuck it. Let me see. Yeah, I think I'm still gonna watch the rest. I just wanted to see what I could do. Let's get on my GitHub. Let's see. Dot files. Yeah, so I use LazyVim. To do all like the neat stuff because I'm lazy. Let's see. This should be public as far as I remember. Yeah, and the GitHub workflows, they don't my continuous integration does not work, so don't. Hey, it's public. Nice. So don't. Yeah, I need to fix a lot of stuff with it, but I kind of don't care right now. Let's see, new of them. So where did I put it? I'm pretty sure it's in my Lua, my plugins. Yeah, lead code. Yeah. So yeah, it's. Oh, it's not pasting for some reason. Yeah. Here's the plugin for that. And the way that I get into it, by the way, I just do nvim. Oh, I guess I can't do that. But this is all I do. I do nvim lead code nvim.nvim. Yeah. And then you have to give your cookie from your session. They have a tutorial on the README. Just by the way. It's on the GitHub. Yeah, this guy's GitHub. Tutorial is all the way on the bottom, if I remember correctly. Yeah, they show you how you get your cookie, things like that. Copy and then you have to paste it into there. Yeah, cookie. Yeah. Okay, so that's like the bottom down. But I swore, I'm pretty. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah. So this should pass. Well, let me write it. Yeah. Oh, thanks for the follow, root user. You're a beast. Spear, the name sounds Indian. Ah, yes, I am not Indian by any means. But I have been considered Punjabi by association. Because my homies are, are Punjabi. When my homie got married, I had to do all these dances, and like the whole wedding was like a week long of events. It was all a blur. It was legit all a blur. I remember putting like turmeric on him or something, like yellow stuff on him. It was a lot of traditions that. It was a lot. Love him though. Yeah. My peak for basketball. Yeah. Oh, what videos do you make, Real Raymond? I missed that. That comment. Sorry for that. Okay. So we cashed it, right? So this is like going forwards. So let's see, how would we go backwards? Right? Because essentially bottoms up is going backwards. Right? So you this is iterating forward. Oh, well, let me see if he goes into that. Does he go to that? No. He only went top down approach, which is fine. Just trying to think in my head right now. We gotta rob or don't rob. Okay, I'll watch the rest of it since he doesn't go through. As far as I can tell, he doesn't go through the.
Go to I+1, which is the next house in line. So like we're skipping this house. And that's like basically it for take it or leave it. At every index, you have two choices, and you decide which one is the better choice by returning the max of the two things, rob or don't rob. Right now, there's no cache for this function, so it's gonna time out, but we'll go ahead and run it anyways. So we'll just like return DP nums, and we start at index 0, which is the first house. So this should give a correct answer, but it's gonna be too slow. So here we get the accepts, and it should give a TLE, time limit exceeded. Takes too long. Algorithm ain't efficient enough. Look at that. So this is where the DP thing comes into play, where you give it a cache, like you cache the results for similar problems, and then we're gonna reuse that cache. So let's build our cache. How do you know like how to make the states for the cache? I don't know, man. It takes years for you to get that intuition, but just keep practicing DP problems. Our cache size is gonna be n+1. I do +1 for good luck because sometimes it might be out of bounds or something. So it's always nice to just do +1. And then we set the initial value to -1. That way we can know if we've seen the cache or not. And we use -1 because we can't go robbing houses and end up with less money than we started with. We can only get more money. So if we see a -1, that usually signals that we have not seen this setup. We gotta pipe down this cache like that. And then vector int cache. And then we check the cache. We're like, if the cache is not -1, that means
Midnight Simon's a funny dude, bro. He a funny dude. You can't get negative money, which is fair. Don't lose money when you're trying to rob places. But it was more funny when he was like, trying to figure
Because
out
we've seen
what the size of the cache is. You just years of experience. That's all you get.
this sub problem, and we should just return the answer that we've cached. And then otherwise down here, instead of just returning it, we're gonna return it and set the cache equal to the value, that the best value for that index. And let's see.
Wait, what? You could do this in one line? You can define and return it in one line? That is crazy. I've never done that. The reason why I never done that is we've been told and we practice to do one thing per line. Don't do two things in one line. Don't do like two definitions in one line. So that's yeah, so don't do like int I and j equal to 0. Like don't do that in the same line. You do them separately, and that's just for readability's sake. He's crazy. This man's crazy.
That works. No, it doesn't work because I forgot to pass that down. All right, let's see if this works. Hopefully it works. All right, that was easy work. So this is how I started out learning DP. I think this was one of the first DP patterns that I learned for sure. And this is basically how I used to implement it with a helper function. But these days, I don't really use helper functions that much. I use lambdas instead because it's a lot easier to not have to pipe down stuff to the helper function by reference. It's like a bunch of typing. So you can like make a lambda like this.
Right.
And then the trick here is you gotta pass in the lambda function to itself, and that's it. That's the only thing.
So this is how you do recursive lambdas. I see. I actually never knew that. So this one right here, make sure the, I guess you can say outside variables are passed by reference.
And we gotta pass because.
And then I actually never knew how to do a recursive lambda.
We already have the cache access right there.
Right. And that's passed by reference.
I can just copy all of this junk in here, erase that helper, put this junk back in, and it should work, man. Right? Let me get rid of some of these extra spaces. Let's see. I'm about to hit run. Come on, man.
He's so confident.
Oh yeah, I forgot to change this call right here. Jesus, man. Oh yeah, I forgot to change this call right here. Jesus Christ. What did I do wrong, man? Oh yeah, I gotta send these down here too. And then we can clean this up because there isn't that many parameters we send. We're only sending the index. So we can get rid of these, can get rid of that, and then we can get rid of these, and we can get rid of that. And that's it. Hopefully. Let's see. And there you go. That is introduction to Take It or Leave It, aka House Robber, aka Coin Change, aka.
There's a positives and benefit. Yeah, there's a lot of benefits with this. It's all like in-house, right? It's all in the function. You don't have to worry about it outside getting used. Yeah, I could see. I should probably use more lambdas. It's all contained within the rob function. Yeah, you can do it in an if statement too. Declaration and an if statement. Oh, that's crazy, dude. Yeah, capture by reference. Yeah, capture all the outside variables or yeah, whatever it's contained in. So in this case, whatever is in the function rob. If the function was in there. Right. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Okay, that's a neat little trick that I didn't know. Not really sure what to. And this returns a stood function, right? A stood function with these parameters and outputting an integer, I'm assuming. Yeah. It's only an assumption.
But
yeah, he. Ah, shit. Okay. If I ever sign in, I'll do it. Yeah, he a funny dude. How would you do capture by value? How would you do if you wanted to capture by value of the global variables? Oh, equal? Ah, I see. Don't think about what it returns. The return can be assigned to... Ah, interesting. But that's because template is magic. Template do be magic. Okay, so let's... Okay, so let's do the bottoms up approach. Which I have to think about. Because I see. Oh, yeah. What the hell? Because we have to do -1, right? Rob, don't rob. Decision tree. Right. Okay, yeah. I'm aware of that. I'm aware of doing the specific variable names. Aware. Keyword aware, not not knowing. Like if I got quizzed over it or whatever, I'm getting my... All right, so let's... Oh, I got an idea. So if we're here... nums I or... should be 11. Yeah, no, it doesn't work. Once upon a time, I used to know how to do this. Let's get some music in. Let's get some music in for show, for show. I'm so mad at myself because I don't... I don't remember how I did things. And it's so annoying to me. I did this a bajillion times in February. Oh, and there's even all one. So this is the same thing basically. Which, interesting enough, I don't see the. I'm glad that I wrote notes that I never read anymore. What bottoms up? Damn. I have digressed for sure, for sure. You rather don't rob or rob? That's annoying. Yeah, actually, what would be the O of one solution? Hold on. Interesting. Paint house. Oh man, I wish it was a free one. Is a house robber 3? No, we house robber 4. What the fuck? This is DP? What's up, Poof? Long time no see, brother. You did Spiral Matrix recently? That sounds disgusting. Oh, is that not a DP problem? I can only do DP problems. That's what I told myself. AKA, I hate myself, bro. I hate myself. Let's do this. These all look disgusting, bro. I don't want to look. I hate all these questions. Alright, so 377. Alright. Oh my god. Undo. Alright, let's do. What was it, 330? I forgot it. 377. It could also be 3D or 4D. I saw a 3-dimensional. Actually, I think the first Lico contest I did, it was like DP heavy. Like the first question wasn't DP, but then the 2, 3, and 4 were all DP, and then like the second question required like a 3D DP problem, and I haven't even learned DP at that point. I knew of it, I just didn't. That was disgusting. Oh shoot, I think I've done this one. Give an array of distinct integers. Distinct, nice. And target integer target. Okay. Possible combinations that add up to target. Ah, I see. The sequences are different. Of course. Of course. Why? Interesting. This feels like more of a backtracking problem than a DP problem. Am I wrong on that? Yeah. Poof, you're a beast. Do you guys do... I always get this mixed up. Code of Clash or Clash of Code? I don't know which one comes first. It just feels like a backtracking to me, but oh wait, ooh, I think I see something. Okay, I might not see stuff. Clash of Code. I think they were trolling you last night. Who was trolling me? Wait, who was trolling me? Oh, really? They're using ChatGPT and then crushed me? Oh, damn, no way. You're serious? You're lying to me. Oh, it's messed up. Ah, no way. I really messed up. You're supposed to be fair. I know Loco wasn't cheating. How do I manage my diet? How do I manage my diet? Dude, I ain't gonna front, it's hard to manage my diet. My girlfriend, she be wanting to eat at places that I'm like, yo, I won't be hounding on some food. And the thing is, like, when I lived by myself, I didn't buy any snacks. Or like, I rarely bought snacks. And the reason for that is because it made me, if I really wanted like candy, if I really wanted chips or something, I would have to go to a convenience store or a grocery or someplace. I would have to get up, get to my car, and get somewhere to actually get that material. And that means I really had a craving to snack on stuff, and I'm like a huge snacker. So I don't like buy snacks, or I used to not do that. And that helped me like reduce how much calorie intake I had for the day. Nowadays, my girlfriend, she buys so much snacks but don't eat them. She don't be eating them. And now the whole pantry is just so many snacks. And like, I don't have the self-control, and I know I don't have the self-control. I warned her about that. And yeah. So I've been a little bit better. I was really good at some point, but now not so much. So to manage the diet, I would say don't buy snacks when you're at the grocery store. Yeah. I'm not sure what your habits are, but like for me, this is me projecting. I snack a lot. What's up, mate? What's up, homie? Okay. How much do I work out usually? I try to, I don't know, four times? 3-4 times a week? I don't know, 3-4 times a week. I try to do something every day. There was some point where I ran every day. Snacks are addictive because they come in like bite sizes. Also, I can't watch food content. If I start watching food content, then damn. I just get destroyed. Okay, so there's a way to do this. So, like for instance, this example, right? So I see the vision, right? So when we get, because we can have, like DP is equal to basically like equal to, if we were writing this in Rust, right? I think it's like num size, right? Not num size, excuse me, target. It says it, the target, yeah. So we have like a bunch of 4s. Target plus 1. Yeah, something like this. And then like when target, like finally, like once we get the target to 0, we know that there's going to be just one combination, right? And when target is equal to 1, what can I do? Or I guess you can think of it even as summation, right? Let's do summation. Like sum is equal to 4, then it's 1. But if sum is equal to 3, then we have like several combinations, right? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's like 4 ways. Or something like that, right? Ah, I see. And then like if sum is equal to 2, how many times we get 2, huh? There's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Was that 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Like 4. And you get to that point, it's 4, right? Sum is equal to 1. Whatever this is, 4 again. And then once you get sum is equal to 0, then you get the 7 combinations. I don't know how that all works. Actually, now that I'm looking at it. I thought I was cooking, but I'm not that cooking. I wasn't cooking that much. Oh wait, sum is equal to 4. There's that 0 combos? I'm so confused. Cause there's I guess you can say there's oh wait, no, I was right. Wait. I actually don't know what I was doing. I was saying a lot of gibberish. But yeah. I was saying a lot of gibberish. But I think I can code it up. Call it cash. And we'll do ints. We'll do this. Okay, hold on. Okay, I'm gonna do it the Midnight Simon one. I'm gonna do the Midnight Simon one. Okay. I was gonna be by I was gonna do my lonesome self, but now we're gonna do it his way. I should probably save that vector. Oh well, it's fine. Hash. Oh, and it's gonna be -1 times that size. Oh, it's not num size. It is target +1. You want it to be 0 to 4. Yeah, target +1. And then we're going to do. What are we going to do? How do you do it? Auto DFS is equal to, and then we pass everything by reference, capture by reference, and then we just need int I index. And int sum. If I is greater than or equal to size, or sum is greater than target. Return 0. And then we have ifs. We know that if sum is equal to target, then return 1. Yeah. And if cache I wait, is it? lot of ifs. A lot of ifs. In this case, we have to go through all the possibilities, right? So for int, we'll call it j. 0 to 0 of j. I guess we don't need this check. Oh well. We'll do a double check. J is less than size. J plus. Do DFS. Yeah. We do DFS of J. Okay, but what do I do with that value? Snap. Oh, snap. So I do all these combinations, right? So I get to, the first one that I'm getting to is 1 1 1 1. And I do 1 1 2. How do I? Hey, Junchi. Junchi, what's up? I am doing a DP problem and don't really know what I'm doing at this point in time. Because I'm supposed to be doing something. Oh, Elite Whale, and yeah. NCC, no condom Chris? Yeah. Oh, so those are the people who are playing with me. I don't think they would cheat. No. Oh. Okay. Intermission. To be fair, those questions I don't think were that difficult. I just suck at strings, so I made it more difficult than it was. Whoa, what's up, Pat? The goat of. Dude, I always forget. I always forget the name. Clash of Code, the goat of Clash of Code. You're coming in at my weakest point, man. They were if I remember correctly, they were using Java. They also used C++ with me as well. So, my girlfriend was squeezing my hand off camera, and my hand hurts now. She had to do something else. It's kind of painful. My hand hurt, guys. How many times have I've been calling it for a couple years. What makes you want to get into programming? So I actually don't know. How do I? Okay, so we have all these combos, right? So for I say sum is 3. Do I add before? I actually don't know what I'm doing. How do you do stuff? How do you program? I said I kind of see it, but I think I bullshit it out. Do Midnight Simon way, but I'm getting my ass beat. Alright, we might have to do Clash of Code in a second. I suck. How do I have a LeetCode client in my editor? Oh yeah. Really? And my hand was hurting. I was trying to move it, and then you looked at me. No, you're not getting away. I'm not trying to get away. You fucking squeezing the shit out. You were messing up. Like, you weren't even getting my palm, bro. It was just all fingers. Alejandro. So I use this. I use Neovim. And I use this plugin called leetcode.nvim. Leetwell, please go slower so I can beat y'all eventually. What do you say? What did you say, man? Oh, I didn't hear the last part. I heard the first two. Yeah. You check it out? Yeah, dude. Okay. I was supporting you.
I know. I can't lie about that. I was only like 17 hours of PTO, so it could be against the rules.
Cash this. Let's do, okay. This is not gonna work. Good night, babe. Dude, I don't know how to. Ah, right. I did forget one thing. I forgot the most crucial part of the recursive part, right? Yeah. Yeah. So
You get to choose two choices. Kiwi, avocado, watermelon, peach, grapefruit.
you got a fruit and then an avocado. What?
Don't question it, just answer. Kiwi, avocado, grapefruit, watermelon, peach.
Which one, guys? Out of all those fruits, which one? Which one? Which one? Help me! Which one?
I need to go sleep.
Yes, she needs to go to sleep. Come on, tell me, guys. Kiwi, watermelon, grapefruit, peach, avocado. Which one?
Oh, cherry. And cherry.
And cherry. Which one? This is my life. You guys don't see her face. It's no, isn't.
Pick one, because then I'm asking tomorrow, too.
Alright, grapefruit.
Is that what they said?
No, no one said anything. Someone said watermelon, peach. Is that one fruit? Yeah. Don't want this.
Stop it. That's weird enough. They're the band.
And then his next
That's how you
comment.
get banned from streams.
Next comment was, "It's tough." That's
I
all
know
I
how
got.
we say stupid questions. There's no stupid questions, but
Hey, co-tutor
there's
is.
stupid.
Oh, co-tutor says kiwi. So go kiwi.
Oh, you already said grapefruit.
You want grapefruit?
I like the grapefruit. I don't even remember how to do it.
It's
It's my compression socks.
it's her socks she wants to wear over. Create a vector.
Oh, actually, it might be blood orange. No, it's grapefruit. See, these are so much cuter. No, I don't have durian socks. I want lychee ones, though. Bam. 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 Bam.
What's up, Jason Ritt? Thanks for the follow. I'm getting my ass kicked right now. God damn. Sorry.
I guess I should honor him.
You should honor them?
Because he said you're the only person that knows
Yeah, he did say that. He's dope. I like co-tutor. We have went with grapefruit. Unanimous decision. We took a group vote in the chat. Grapefruit. It has been grapefruit. It has been unanimously decided.
I'm a boss. I'm
the so beautiful.
Say.
So
What did you
beautiful.
say? At 2 hours and 38.
The stream is gonna get deleted. I can delete it.
Bam! Bam!
She's so
Bam.
abusive.
Bam!
I'm getting abused by this question and
Bam!
abused.
Bam!
Like, dude, I swear, I thought I was pretty close on this one. Okay, we're gonna cheat.
I packed all the food in those
Okay.
except for the one. The squared one or my round one?
Square one is what?
They're already
Oh, right. I forgot to lower it ever since Midnight Simon. Ah, I'm so
Midnight
sorry,
Simon?
man. It's because I watched this video right here, and I was trying to make sure he's audible. Because he was teaching me this concept that I'm getting, that's ruining my life.
so you could hear the sock impact.
Oh, what? Oh, damn. I didn't read that. What's going on?
I'm honoring your viewer,
All I'm
and that is why I'm hitting you. Can
all
you hear
this
it?
abuse.
Can you hear it?
Help.
I only hit his shoulder. He
Help me.
only reads the first half. She reads, yeah.
Oh,
Actually,
they can't see now.
Can you hear it though? That's what matters.
No, help.
He
Help.
said, I want to hear it,
Help.
not see it. Hear.
Help.
You don't need video to hear.
Help.
You just need audio. Audio.
Okay, stop it, please.
Fine, I'm done.
Alright. Let's look at this. I have no idea what that reads.
I really wish you had like a thing that said "read me" after you haven't like read your comments for a long time.
What's going on here?
Like a look over here, you know. Especially whenever I come on your work and I'm saying hi, and I'm like hello, and then I get impatient, so I FaceTime you.
I could probably make you like a VIP or
You need to
something.
help him.
He needs. Yeah, can you help me with this DP pro?
No.
Alright.
Help you with the comments though.
Alright then.
I do help him with the comments whenever I'm here. Because he don't read them all the time. Or he'll like, whenever lots of people are talking, he'll start from the bottom. When he doesn't read, you sock him.
Stop it.
But that's what Code Tutor.
I don't care.
You hear that? He doesn't care about you. Earlier he said he liked you.
This is what I was missing.
Liar. So mean, just like Joey Masterchef.
Who?
You know
Who?
who. You know who. That's that emoji.
This is what you're.
That emoji. Oh look, you made him cry.
What? Why?
Because you say you don't care about him.
Code tutor.
You say you don't care about him.
What happened? She made me say those things. She abused me.
No, I didn't.
She even
I
hitting me.
followed what he said, and he said sock him. He said when he doesn't read, sock him. That's exactly what I did.
It's hard to program and learn dynamic programming when I'm.
30 push-ups. It's like military. She said we wouldn't get blank today. Oh, I did say y'all would get a plank today because I said no. Was that yesterday? That was like a few days ago.
Sick.
That was like 2 days ago.
Yeah, but I didn't.
Oh, you can do like a 2-minute plank now. He's good at planks. I did say plank next time. Well, I work the next 2 days, so he can plant all he wants. He can plank and do push-ups. You got it, honey.
Okay.
They want you to plank. Okay, good night. I have to go to bed.
Let me figure some stuff with my life out, alright?
He'll plank and do push-ups before his stream ends. Or if you guys have to leave. Okay, bye.
Who's making this?
Because you also said, okay, I will do it next time. I just can't today.
Maybe. What is the issue here?
Don't disappoint your viewers.
Okay, NCC, we're gonna do it. What? Okay, it's 377, so let's... I lost all the code! I didn't write my code! It was pretty shitty code, but it was my code. It was my code. It's fine. I need to write it. That's infuriating. -1. Oh, it's supposed to be cache size. Not cache size, what I'm saying. Target +1. That was the error last time. Then it's defined as the... Okay, let's do auto DFS is equal to... We're gonna do a capture clause. And then we're gonna do this to make it recursive. We're gonna do an int I, and then an int sum. Yeah. Then we're gonna do some couple things. What happened? So I quit. The reason why I quit, because there was this pending. Oh my god. There was this pending notification that just stayed on there when it should have exited a long time ago because there's nothing going on. And I dislike it being there, so I usually just quit and come back. But what happened was I quit and I went back assuming that it cached it, like cached my code. But it didn't. So the next best thing I could do is just make sure I write the file and it saves it, and then I can easily retrieve it, but it didn't do that. It's quite unfortunate. Yeah, but it is what it is. So if sum is greater than target, we want to return 0. And then if sum is equal to target, then we return 1. And then yeah, if cache sum does not equal to -1, then we return cache sum. Yeah. Okay, and then we're gonna do a for j is equal to 0. J is less than nominal size. J plus plus. Yeah. So we need to save this answer is equal to 0. Answer plus equal to DFS J. Yeah, what is this even used for, to be honest? I don't really see a point of having this I in here. Yeah. There's no point of having the I. Yeah. Not that I can tell. Nums J. Yeah. And then we cache it. This makes sense. Cache sum is equal to, excuse me, is equal to answer. And then return cache sum. Right. And then we just simply do return DFS, and then 0. Oop. Nope. Ah. Another one. To define the lambda. Oop. Oh, nice. I was so close. So I missed this part. These two, I just didn't understand how to cache it and then iterate over the answer, which is kind of it's kind of depressing. All right, so that was cool, I guess. I wish I did better. So it's this judging thing. This judging thing just sometimes stays there, which is kind of annoying. Right? So that's why I quit. And then if I go back to it, I should be able to click undo, and then it like gives me my last one. But I forgot to save it. Oh, what's up, Code Tutor? By the way, what? I am... Okay, so yes, I'm practicing this to be interviewed, but I don't know DP well enough to explain it, right? So I'm just trying to learn right now. Granted, it is a good tool to have to try to explain it. to also learn. So I might as well do that too then. So oops. I'm on view still? Oh, disgusting. So if we have like nums, 1, 2, 3, and then let's say the target's 4. No. Yeah, they do be silently judging. And I'm okay with that. They like you to plan stuff out ahead. I don't mind that. It depends, right? If it's it's good engineering to plan things out ahead, right? And that's if you have the technical experience to plan ahead, right? Because you know the pitfalls of a lot of things. You know the pros and cons, right? So with these types of problems, you do the planning up front because they expect you to have the technical aptitude to do that. So yeah, that's what engineering is to plan ahead in the design stage, so you don't fuck yourself during the implementation, during the experiments, during the production. Yeah. So I get your point though. Yeah. Anyway. Yeah, DP is one of those questions where I can't explain that well. So let's go through the call stack. So through the call stack, we have our definitions, but we're gonna do this DFS, and this DFS is going to call on itself, recurse. So initially sum is going to equal to 0, right? And then we have cache is going to equal to 4 negative ones, I believe. Yeah, 4 negative ones, because it's going to be, oh wait, I guess I never gave it a chance to be. It's technically 5 negative ones. Yeah. And then sum is 0. And I guess I'll do like the combos here. Alright. So for our first combo, we go through answer is equal to 0. Give us 1. I see. Oh, we don't do this cache for a while. To be honest, do we even use that cache? How much faster is that? But anyway, when we keep calling on itself, we keep iterating through it, and we get 1, 1, which in turn has this 1 and 2. And we keep doing it. And then we get to 4 ones. This is essentially backtracking at some point, right? And once we get to this last one, we have sum is equal to 4. So sum is equal to target. So we automatically return 1. So essentially we did answer plus equal to 1. And then answer. Oh yeah. That answer is referring to when sum is equal to 3. Just by the way. So that answer is now 1. When it's equal to 3, it's 1. There's only one way to do it. Yeah. And then once we go back here, we realize when we get to the 2 and 3 combos, it's greater than or equal to 2, or greater than or equal to 4, because we have if we do 1 1 2 1 1 1 2 and 1 1 1 3, we have greater like 5 and 6. Oop, that's not what I want. So that means at that point we went through everything, and then sum of 3, 0 1 2 3 is equal to 1. Yeah, it's equal to 1, which is good. We used our cache. So now we're going to go back to 1 1, right? A lot of these are variations of knapsack. Granted, I don't know what knapsack is. The best explanation that I got is apparently from Midnight Simon, which is it's either you rob or you don't rob. Leave it or take it. But then again, I don't know the difference between like knapsack 01 and knapsack whatever the other variation is. There's 2 knapsacks, right? Yeah, unbounded knapsack. I don't. Yeah. Yeah. So we went all the way back to now 1 1. And this is when answer is equal to sum is equal to 2, which is now equal to 1. Because we know that 1 1 1 gave us 1. I see. So at this point in time, sum is equal to 2. And we already exhausted our 1 1 1 option. So now we're going to go to 1 1 2. Which is equal to 4, and so we return 1, which means we did answer when sum is equal to 2 gets added right here, and this is 4, right? Unluckily, 113 will equal to 5, which will return 0, and we add 0, right? So this cache of sum is equal to 2 is this. It's 2 now. So now we have 1 1, or just now 1, right? So sum is equal to 1. And now when answer is sum is equal to 1, now it's equal to 2, excuse me, currently. And now we're going to go iterate through everything. So now we have 1 2 1 2, right? So now the summation is equal to 2, or is equal to 3. Since it's equal to 3, now we finally use our cache sum and just return 1. This means we add 1 from this combo of this 1 2. We don't even go further after that. And then we go 1, 3. And then we know that sum, in this case, 4, is equal to target. So then we add one more to it, which is 4. Oh, that's nice. Alright. And then we iterate through the rest, right? So now we're at sum is equal to 0, right? Answer. Sum is equal to 0. Which now is equal to 4 because... Oh my god, no. Because from our 1 combo. Our 1x combo. Right? So now sum is equal to 0. So now we're going to go through the next iteration, which is 2. Oop. And I also forgot to do this right here. Because I forgot to update sum is equal to 1. It's 4. So we have 2. So we already have this as cached. So then we add 2. Right? Because once cache of 2 is equal to 2. So it's 6. And then we get to 3, and that's 1. So then you add one more. Yeah. So essentially, I guess we don't need 0 or the added 1 that I had, which is chill. Yeah. No, if you're using recursion, make sure runtime. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, Stack Overflow is a huge thing. How many megabytes do you get? Like 5 megabytes? It depends on your hardware, but it's pretty small. I forget. Yeah, I'm not too familiar with that. But for these types of problems, you don't really have to think about it too hard. So yeah, that's the way to do it. And then by the end of it, oops. By the end of it, we make hash of 0 is equal to 7. Oop, that's not what I want. I wanted to write it. Oh, I see. So that's how I thought about it. Yeah. Yeah. It's good to, I guess, quote unquote, take over the conversation or lead the interviews. They want you to leading the interviews typically means that you're at least communicating something. Hopefully it's a good thing. Is there a coin change here? Oh, there's coin change. Okay, we'll do a coin change. I'm pretty sure I've done this one. Yeah, I've done it. But we'll do it again because I don't remember. 322. I don't remember a lot of these. Was that my 4th question? I think that was my 4th question. Even though it was not a new question, I think it was my 4th one. Let's make sure. I don't wanna lie to you guys. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. That's annoying. I just didn't understand this to this. 338, doing pretty good. 338. You want me to do 338? What's 338? Counting bits. I already forgot the question. What's coin change? 322. Today's been rough, man. Oh, I've done it on here. Interesting. Okay, we'll see if I can do it again. Oh, how many questions I've solved? Yeah, but most of them were easy. I'm trying to up my mediums, and then eventually hard, but really up my mediums. I want my mediums to be double my easies. Yeah. But we're doing it, man. Let's see, coin change. Ah, this is no, this is actually real similar. This is very similar to what I just did, actually. Pretty much pretty much the same thing. Is no Quantum Chris there? I will, as a break, do a plank right now if you're there. Only if you're there. If you're not there, then I can't. Cock. Clash of Code. Plank. If you're not there, then I guess I can't do it, man. I guess I can't do it. Delete one. Yeah. Someone can. That's crazy. All I'm saying is, do you want to do Clash of Code? I'll be down. I think I could do this one pretty quick. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. I originally said that I originally said it to get no Condom Chris in here, so I can do a plank, but he is not here. Quite unfortunate. Quite unfortunate. What shall we ever do, man? I try to do it. I try to do it. I think this one I'll do in some. Yeah. Yeah. Wait, hold on. Okay. Pretend I did do a plank, right? And nobody was there to see it. Did I do a plank? Right? That's what's gonna happen to me. If sum is greater than amount, yeah, return 0. If sum Wait, what is this question? Hold up. I wasn't really I should have. Fewest number of coins you need to make up that amount. Ah! Right. You're right. You're right. My body will be very thankful and also hating me. But like I don't want any ammunition from no condom. Oh, actually, I gotta use the restroom. Be right back. Be right back. My ankle don't feel good. Okay, first of all, I have a torn Achille. I have a torn Achille. My ankle has been going through the ringer. So watch your mouth, bro. I tore it like a long time ago. I tore it a long time ago, not anything recent. But I'm not like a professional athlete, so I don't be returning it like, I don't be. Actually, yeah. What is the? Oh shoot. Because you have so many coins. But it's the amount still. It's still the amount. Yeah. Cash. If cash. Sum does not equal to -1. You want to see my doctor's note? I got a messed up, like you can see the scar tissue. my ankle flexion, my dorsiflexion is trash. Let's see. Oh yeah. Return. Still similar concept. So we'll do int. Because we want the minimum. Oh snap! We don't want this. Ooh. $10, $100, $1,000, $10,000. I don't know. 10,000. Yeah. Let's see. Let's do this. I don't know if I'm doing this right. I have to count for this. Oh, you just return -1. No, it's big num. It's big num. Yeah. So yeah, answer is equal to. Yeah, it's equal to big num. And then for int I is equal to 0, I less than coins dot size, I plus to DFS coins +1 sum plus coins I. Yeah, so we're cursing down the tree, and then we finally cache it. We cache sum is equal to answer, and answer I forgot to do. Answer is going to equal to the minimum of answer and the whatever the final answer is for that. How many coins there are. Yeah. And then we return cache sum. Yeah. And then we can just do DFS. There's going to be an if statement in here, so let's see. Yeah. Let's just call DFS of 0, 0. Return. Let's see. We want to return. So we just did all the tree traversal, and we want to return a ternary. So the ternary will say cache 0 is equal to big num question mark. That means there was no solution. If there was no solution, it's -1. If there was a solution, then return cache 0. Yeah. Okay. It's cause I called it DP, but in my head I called it cache. That's some baloney. All right. Ah, because I have this stupid. Okay, let's call it num coins. All right, and then we do num coins here. Oop. And then we do num coins here. I think that's it. Had a lot of issues. Forgot one parentheses. Have a lot of syntactical errors. Why do I have so many syntactical errors? Reference binding to null pointer of type and what? What was the error? Oh, disgusting. Where's my problem? I see. Back you. See. Remember how I said this was gonna be simple? Okay, let's take let's take a break. We're going to do something called plank. Oop. something called plank. Oh my god. I need. We'll do something called plank. All right. Let's see. I'll keep it a buck. I don't know. Just gonna make this slightly bigger. Make myself slightly bigger. Yeah, until there. So alright. I'm gonna probably start like 10 seconds. 10 seconds in because I can't do a timer and then do all that. Hey. He's Alright, fine. Give me a minute. Okay, I'm gonna start around 5 seconds. Because it's hard. Oh, wait. Hold up. I was about to... Okay. All right, you guys can talk to me, and hopefully you guys can hear me when I'm down there. Let me lower this. Oop, wrong one. As far as it goes. All right, ready? Go. Also, I can see my form. This is nice. I am staring at myself. This is so weird. I'm actually looking at the chat, but yeah. That's America's ass. I'm only going for 105. Alright. I did more than 105. That's where we're going. Alright. Maybe one day. Okay. Maybe one day I'll get to 3 minutes. I can't do DP problems, so yeah. Also, I'm pretty sure my league code contest rating is gonna go down from the last week. Yeah. Okay, let's make this smaller. Let's see. Where's my counter at? Oop. Do you guys want to do Clash of Codes? Right now, I'll do like 1 or 2. I'll be down. You guys can show me up, man. Okay. Alright, let me... Oh no, this is not the one. Is this one? Yeah, it's this one. Okay, let me... this real quick. Oh, I don't want to draw. You use C, Leetwell? Oh, you're a beast. You're a beast. I'm hoping for no strings, man. I'm hoping for no strings. I'm assuming no one else wants to join. I'm assuming it's just gonna be us three. If you do want to join, please say something before I start it. Dang. No Connell Chris is swole, bro. Oh wow. Oh, you guys are strong. Huh. This is your cock rank? Oh wow. I'm a nobody, bro. I'm a no. Goddamn. Oh, that's a size. So I am massive. Wait, that isn't? Oh, okay. Well, I'm gonna start it. I'm gonna start it. I wonder what that means then. What does this mean? Oh, okay. Right. Ah, okay. Oh, right. Oop. Oh yeah. Please ignore the trash ass formatting. You already finished? You're a beast, man. Oh, I'm so. Wait, no. I did it! I did it! Wait, what happened? I'm the best! I'm the greatest! I'm the greatest! How do you do it? Nice, same. Nice. Nice. Yeah. You just type so fast. Code. Wait. Leetwell, you're Clash of Code inspector, right? Just to make sure I get this right. Okay, making sure. Gotcha. Dude, you're a beast. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to look at your code. You're a beast. Ah, so that's how they do it. They don't do. That makes sense. They don't do CNC out. Yeah, I don't know how to do all that. My code is trash, man. Hella ugly. I think it auto formatted for me too. But yeah, the zero didn't matter. Let's go! Ah, he made sure he made sure to wait for me. Yeah, he definitely made sure to wait for me. Oh, he did a switch statement. Ah, you're crazy, dude. You're crazy. Which in this case would make a lot of sense to do. But yeah. Yeah. I assume he waited for 420 at least. Yeah. Are you guys down to do another one? I think this will be my last one. Okay, thanks for going easy on me. No condom, Chris. Actually, now that I think about it, what is the? I think I've been on his. What's his? Cause I think he has. Not leaderboards. Oh, type racer. Yeah, you guys, fucking. You guys are beasts. Where's Leet Whale at? Leet Whale, you don't type fast? Oh, you're like 80? Okay, I'm the slowest out of us three. That's for sure. I'm around 50 to peak 60. Peak 60. Finished in 2 minutes, so I'm proud of that. All right, let's see. Don't crush me too hard, guys. Don't crush me too hard. Oh wow, it's like a secretary class. You're a beast. Ah shit. String S of ordered characters, uppercase only or lowercase only with exactly one letter replaced by star. What? Oh. Okay. Uh. Shit. What? Oh. Yep. Actually, I guess it doesn't matter. Why did I look that up? go to this. I guess it's just fuck. Oh, super slow. Last place, baby. Yeah. I just made sure that it was 4-3-2, guys. Anyway, let's let's rate somebody. I'm gonna peace out. Thanks guys for staying as much as you guys did. Really appreciate that. Yeah, no, we're not doing all that. We are not doing all that, man. You're not gonna let me win, and I'm not gonna win. I can't. Oh, this guy's a beast. Oh, wow. This guy's well, there's a C++ game dev and then there's a Rust game developer. No, stop. No, I want to take a shower, and I want to take a shower. There's a Rust one. The Rust one. He's doing something cool with the like humanoid, like human physics stuff, like robot motion things. I'm actually kind of interested. Yeah, let's rate this guy. I've rated him twice. I wanna rate someone else. Chi-Chi's a beast. Thank you for the offer. Yeah. Chi-Chi won't plank. See, that's a problem. I don't think this guy will, but this is a very like he's doing like really cool. Yeah, I'll show you guys. He's doing like humanoid like motion stuff for his like new game development on Godot. Like some jumping stuff. It's cool. Anyway. See you guys. I hope everyone has a lovely day. Peace out, Girl Scouts.